got on off of Jamestown Street, by Terra.
What do you want?
Everything all right over here?
Yeah, what do you want?
Just seeing if everything's all right. Maybe we're struggling with the payphones.
Yeah. Well, if you want to have a look at it, it's just taking my money.
Oh, really? Which one took your money?
The middle one there.
The middle one right here?
Yeah. The middle one.
You know there's a number you call, right?
Yeah, I was just looking at it. It just took me money just then.
Alright, what's with the scratch marks, though?
Fuck.
Still 60452 1070, black male, black jacket, black pants, black and white sneakers. We're heading to the alley off of Golden Street. Currently heading towards Jamestown.
Fuck. Oh shit. Oof. Oh fuck.
Coming towards Roy Lowenstein. Near Pack. Heading south, Roy Lowenstein. Crossing McDonald Street. Heading west on McDonald Street.
Everyone get me.
Come on, man, stop running.
Okay. Why the fuck you tackle me?
Let's stop running, man. Come on, stay still.
Oh, my back.
You got cuffs?
Oh, my back. Oh. Oh, you fucked my back. Oh, fuck.
You okay? You need me to get you an ambulance?
Oh, my fucking back. Yeah, no, honey. You fucked my back. Oh.
You need it? Alright, you want an ambulance?
Yeah.
Patrol 16 from spot 2, final stop, Carson Avenue, across the road by speed 21. You're gonna need a RA.
Yeah, it's like blue, red, green, white, black.
Individual.
Oh, he is the green undershirt. And a white undershirt.
Alright, man, I got RA coming for you.
This is fucked. You're just harassing me.
Why'd you run?
Well, I don't know. You just seemed like you were kind of giving, like, you made your mind up I was guilty.
I just asked you about the scratch marks. Then you took off.
Yeah. I don't really want to talk to you.
Alright, that's fine. Alright, I am gonna have to pat you down. Is there anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me, or hurt me, or anything like that?
No, not really.
No, no knives, no needles, nothing like
No,
that?
no.
Hey, hey, can one of you head on over to... Hey, can one of you head over to, the area of 1158? I saw him throw something
I can
in
go.
the backyards.
Damn, you must really know your streets. These real life have been like fucking little fucking track kids.
Yeah, well, we all go through an intensive training course every 6 months, so...
Where's my ambulance?
It's coming.
What you always say.
Microphone activated.